Hey, what's up everyone? So this is my 2013 Mk6 Golf R. Gonna do a quick little walk around and then I'm gonna kind of turn it into a review of this integrated engineering cold air intake. So that's the main mod. Down there, I don't know if you can see it, I have a Spoolin Engineering short shifter with torque solution bushings. And then the intake, I have a APR stage 1 tune, Ultimate Racing catless downpipe going in the car soon. So here's the downpipe. That'll be hopefully going in this weekend. I ordered as many replacement parts as I possibly could just to make the install go as smooth as possible. There's not really too much different about this car, you know, stock wheels, dirty as hell. Interior's pretty much bone stock. I have this little OBD2 display that gives me a few extra readings. That's nice, but nothing too special. I'll put on the head mount in a minute and see if I can get some good driving videos of this intake. So a little more specifically about the intake, it's a 5-inch filter, which is just massive, and then 3-inch pipe, and it goes down to 275, which is the stock MAF housing size, and the bypass valve tube up and around. There's a little bolt down there, so that's a 7mm. All of those, I believe, are 7s as well. Install was ridiculously easy. It took longer to take out the factory intake versus putting this one back in. So I definitely recommend Integrated Engineering. By no means am I sponsored by them, even though I would love to be, but I would highly recommend this intake to anyone with any VW or Audi car. Another thing I forgot to mention was I also have this blow-off valve spacer that I got on eBay for like 20 bucks because I really didn't want to spend the 80 to 100 most other companies charge. I just find that absolutely ridiculous. So bought the eBay one, bolted directly in, no fitment issues whatsoever. Haven't had a problem with anything else, and I love this car so far. Alright, so we're in the car now. I don't even know if you'll be able to see outside because it looks like everything is just white out. Oh, that works, but that's too close. So I'm going to do a few different clips. I'll do some with the windows up, and I'll do some with the windows down. I'll do some regular driving, some hard acceleration, and we'll just kind of go from there. I'll do a windows cracked. We got no one coming, so let's do hard acceleration. I don't know if you'll be able to hear that. That wind's blowing pretty hard. So this is windows up, and I'll downshift a few times and get some moderate acceleration. So we've got a window cracked open and just kind of city driving style, I suppose. I doubt you can even hear it. got the window cracked open and do a little acceleration. So the intake definitely feels like it pulls harder than factory. I don't know if that's just butt dyno or the sound of it giving kind of a placebo, but it feels like it pulls stronger. And the only bad review I could find about this intake was some people said it was getting a little bit annoying because it was so loud. I've had it on since December and it's now March, and I can't keep my foot off the pedal. I love the sound of it so much. This is window all the way down. So once again, this was the Mk6 Golf R integrated engineering cold air intake.